Hi everyone. Today I am going to change the oil on the Vanderhall. I have to take these screws out. There's 4 on each side. And you have to remove the whole hood. The hood doesn't open like a regular car. So I'm going to get those screws out, pull it up on the ramps, and get ready to change the oil in this thing. Okay, so there's 2 different possible oil filter housings that could have been in here. One is a UFI housing and one is Hengst, and I happen to have the UFI housing. I don't know if you can see that, but that happens to be the filter that I don't have in stock. So I need to run to the auto parts store and get a filter. Okay, I try to get underneath here. You can see this. So the drain plug is just right up here through this hole in the frame. It's easy to get to. Just have a ratchet and a deep well socket. This is a 10mm line. Well, that finishes draining. I'm going to come up here up top and pull this oil filter cap. Just got done driving it. I had to take it up to the auto parts store and get a filter, oil filter, because I didn't have the one I needed. But this one is actually one that, according to the data that I have, according to the cap that I have, says that it's a different filter than this. Interesting. So I'm going to have to look into that. I'll get back. So I have the filters here, and it appears that the previous owner had the wrong filter in there. So there's 2 different housings that are possible to be on this engine, and there's a UFI and a Hengst. Mine happens to be the UFI. The UFI housing has the bypass in the filter, if you can see that, and the Hengst has the bypass in the cap, so therefore no bypass on the filter. Okay, I got the filter in the cap, and I'm gonna see if I can hold the camera and put this in with one hand. Okay, the oil filter is back in and the drain plug is back in, and time to fill it up. AMSOIL Signature Series 5W30 for the Vanderhall. If you're interested in AMSOIL products, contact me, Mike Ford, at mikeford.shop.